The area of a rectangular region is increasing at a rate of 250 square feet per hour. Which of the following is closest to this rate in square meters per minute? Use 1 meter equals to 3.28 feet. Okay, now let me consider the given rate, that is 250 square feet per hour. Okay, we have to convert this rate to square meters per minute. Now let me consider the information we have over here. That is 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. Let me write it over here. 3.28 feet equals to 1 meter. Now let me square both sides of this equation. Now we can distribute this square to this quantity and this one. When I take the square for this one, I am getting 3.28 the whole square. When I take the square for this feet, it will become square feet. The same thing we can do on the right side over here. We can take the square for this one, then we get 1 square. When I take square for this meter, it will become square meter. And the value of this 3.28 square is 10.7584. That is 10.7584 square feet. And the value of 1 square is 1. Then we have 1 square meter on the right side. Now let's divide both sides of the equation by 10.7584. Let me do it. Okay, the value of this fraction is 1. That is, we have 1 square foot on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 over 10.7584 square meters. And also, we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Let me write it. Okay, now let's come to the given quantity we have over here. That is 250. Here we have square foot. That square foot means 1 square foot. We got that 1 square foot equals to 1 over 10.7584 square meters. So we can plug in this stuff for 1 square foot over here. That is times 1 over 10.7584 square meters. Okay, here in denominator we have R, that is 1 hour. We know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. We can plug in 60 minutes for this 1 hour over here. Let me plug in 60 minutes. And we can write this 60 as a fraction by taking denominator 1. Now 250 times this fraction, that is 1 over 10.7584. Now we can change this division as multiplication and take reciprocal of this 60 over 1. Then we get 1 over 60. Now we have square meters in numerator. In denominator, we have a minute, that is square meters per minute. Okay, 250 times 1 is 250. Again, 250 times 1 is 250. In denominator, when I multiply this value and this value, I am getting 645.504 square meters per minute. Okay, here when I divide 250 by this value, I am getting 0.387. It keeps going square meters per minute. Okay, here I have converted the given rate square feet per hour to square meters per minute. When I go over the given answer choices, the value I have an answer choice A, that is 0.39 is closest to the value I got over here. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.